Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope y'all are fine and doing well. Today we are gonna make chicken karhai. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe first. So all we need 1 kg of chicken, 1 kg of tomatoes, 7 to 8 green chilies and 1 mace, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 big black cardamom, coriander leaves, ginger having a julienne cut. This lemon juice is about 2 lemons. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Salt to taste or salt 1.5 tablespoon. Red chili powder, it's about 1.5 teaspoon. Red chili flakes, it's about 1.5 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, it's about 2.5 tablespoon. Half cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of allspice powder. Oil is enough hot. Add mace, bay leaves and black cardamom. Then add salt. Then we will add the chicken. Stir it until it changes the color. When the color changes, add ginger garlic paste. Stir it. Now after 5 minutes, add tomatoes. Add a half cup of water. Cover it for 15 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir it. We have to cook it for more to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we add here yogurt. Now we will add these spices in it. Add green chilies powder. Sorry, red chili powder, red chili flakes, black pepper powder, allspice powder, lemon juice, green chilies. Stir it. Now we will cook it for on high flame. Now we have to cook it for more 5 minutes on low flame, so the chicken will tender completely and our water will evaporate. Add some coriander leaves. stir it. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame. Now it's done. Garnish it with green chilies. Coriander leaves. Ginger. Now it's ready. Our chicken karhai is ready. And I'm gonna dish it out. Now as you can see, this is the final look. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you like, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We will meet in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.